Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. January's project was my Pinwheel Magic. It was project number 4, Pinwheel Magic, and I got it done. You guys, I can't believe it is a completed project. I got it all done. So I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. Here it is, a quick little table runner. Whoop, the back. That's it. No, I'll show you a little quick one at the end. But that one is done. And the project of the month, I follow Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest, and she has drawn the project of the month. I can't say that tonight, for February, and it is project number 6. And this is my project number 6. I grabbed out my little bag, and I'm so excited for this one. My project number 6 is Kitty Cats by Cluck Cluck Sew. I just pull this off of here for now. And it's by Cluck Cluck Sew. And it's all these cute kitties. I am doing, I think it's the medium quilt, which is the cover quilt. And it takes 8 fat quarters. So I'm going to rip my junk out of the bag. I went into my fat quarter closet and I grabbed this little fat quarter bundle. And also this one, so I'm going to mix and match these little dudes. This one has a little bit of shimmer in it, and I thought these were pretty mellow, so I thought I'd throw some of these bad boys in and do a little mixing and matching. And I went out to Quilts and Work. It must have been close to a year ago, because I thought about taking this to the retreat, and Julie said, maybe this would be kind of fun. So it looks pretty fun for the background. It's got all these different color speckles, so that might be a fun background for the kitties. So that is February's project. Whew, it's been a day today. So that is February. So I'm going to get started on this bad boy. It was Ray's birthday on the 2nd. He's a groundhog, so yay, he had a birthday, so happy birthday, Ray. So, yeah, I'm going to get started on this, hopefully this weekend. So a couple days to the weekend and get started on this bad boy. So here is, I can get it all grabbed up here. There we go for the kitty cats. So I got January done, which, you guys, I started in the middle of the month. So I picked an easy one. When I was, you guys, I knew Shelley had picked project number 4 for January. So when I was lining up my projects, I put an easy one for number 4, just so, and I got it done. And you guys, just another sneak peek. I have this quilt almost done. I started this one. So hopefully, now that I've given you the sneak peek, I've got the top of the quilt done, sitting on my cutting table. I had to put 2 borders on, and I have this tutorial ready to go. So now that I told you about it, I better get it done, huh? So anyway, really fun. It went together super quick. So hopefully I'll have that one out quickly. And yay, I'll see you soon. You guys, thank you so much for coming along on this quick journey. Thanks for everything. I'm just flailing. It's I don't know, 9:30 here. It's getting kind of late. Please like, subscribe, share, drop me a comment. Thanks for coming along on this quick journey with me, showing February's project and what I got done in January. And I will be back shortly with January's full video. See you soon. This is Diahn at Four Clovers Quilting. Bye-bye.